This is Sriram from Sriram Creations, and today I'll be reviewing and telling my experience about the Pebble XS Bluetooth speaker, which is available for 1000 rupees in the online market. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And by the way guys, there are timestamps into this entire video, so if you want to skip to any section that you are interested in this video, then you can actually skip directly. So let's get started. Starting off with the unboxing, you get to a dusty looking brown box, which is actually decent, and then when you open the box you will first notice two cables, one of which is a charging cable and the other one is an aux cable. So you can, I'll tell you that about that later in the part of this video. And after that you will notice a user manual, and then opening the user manual up, then you will directly find the Bluetooth speaker. Now coming to this Bluetooth speaker, it is brown color looking, kind of rose goldish. You have like this is about 200 grams guys, and like in hand it is nice premium, but though it is plastic it kind of looks great and it does feel very light in hand. The design of it is like, it's not like completely like cylindrical, because there is like a bump, can I say, like an ice cream cup. It is like that, so it is kind of different in holding it. And when you actually see back of this speaker, you can see all the ports. One is the aux cable, which I'll show you later, and then you have a pen drive port, so you can attach a pen drive and then play songs. And you have a micro SD card also, so up to 32 GB you can actually insert, and then you can listen to songs. And there is the charging port, and they have provided a string also, so it makes easy for portability like this, right? So that is it. But the problem is they have provided all the functional buttons behind the speaker. I mean, that is completely, I don't know how to say, it is completely logicless, because when you kind of place the speaker on a table and you want to skip the track to the next song, then you can't, because you have to take the speaker up, reverse it, then do it. So there are functional buttons that you can see over here. So that is a bit disappointing in the unboxing and the look and feel section. Apart from that, nothing great, nothing bad about it. So now let's just move on to the sound quality and the specs of the speaker. So guys, you can see the specs over here on your right side. I have displayed all the specs, so you can pause the video and go through the spec list. And now let me tell you about my experience with this speaker. This speaker is loud enough. It's loud. It is a 3-watt speaker, so it is fine for this size. I mean, 3 watt is pretty decent, and for the price also it's very good. And when it comes to vocals, it is, I can say it is above average. The voice of the music could be even better, or the singer could be even better. And when it comes to bass, there is bass. I mean, like, it is not the high quality bass that I've ever heard, but there is some bass and you can feel it. And when it comes to loudness, 3 watt is pretty loud enough for spreading the sound to an entire room, so that would be nice. And when it comes to the overall sound quality experience, I would say it is very good. I would give it a 9 out of 10 if you ask me personally, but as a reviewer, in the keeping the price and filtering out everything, I would give it an 8 out of 10. So that is for the sound quality. And by the way, last time you guys asked for the sound test, so why not, let's do it this time. So this is how a phone sounds. This is at max volume guys, so just hear it. This is how a phone generally sounds, and let's see how the speaker sounds. This is also at max volume. Now let's try. You can see the difference. Maybe in the video you can't tell a big difference, but here in real life, this is an ant, then this is an elephant. Now you get it, okay? So this is super loud, and let me try keeping it in 50% volume, and let's play another song, okay? So this is at 50% volume. Yeah, so basically this is decent. Yeah. Now, that is how the sound is. So the bass and completely everything is fine. Average, I have told you before only, right? That is it for this sound test. And now let's move on to the durability, portability and stuff like that. Coming to portability and durability, yeah, you can carry it to different places you want because this is light in weight, string provided, carry it with you. But when it comes to durability, because if this is facing harsh conditions, then yes, you have to keep an eye on that because see, you can actually scratch. Already, I have. You can see there is a scratch, a white color scratch over there. Yeah, if you just scratch it hard, and then this paint will come off. So an eye on that side. So be careful while using it. If you scratch it hardly, this will happen and it looks odd. But if reviewing it, I did it. But if in real life, I don't want you guys to do that. And actually, on the box itself, they have provided a QR code to actually scan it, and you can claim the warranty. But I tried it, but it did not show anything. That is kind of different. It's different for me because if you're scanning, nothing is popping up. So an ion will there also. So basically, if you want to buy this, 1,000 rupees, as I told you before, you can buy it on any online store. And when I compare it with this one with its best competitor, that would be the Boat Stone 200. I suppose it is also 1,000 rupees, but the only difference that you get is that is that is Bluetooth 4.1, which is slightly advanced than this one, and it has water. It is water resistant. It is certified. But this one, there is no. They did not claim that anywhere. I'm not sure whether it is. I don't want to drop it in water. I mean, yeah, I don't want to do that. So video, then do consider subscribing and also hit the like button obviously, and do share it with your friends who are looking for a Bluetooth speaker. That's it for the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.